In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a recurring transfer on Wise. For those of you who may be unfamiliar, Wise, formerly known as TransferWise, is a convenient platform for international money transfers. Whether you're sending funds to family abroad, paying bills, or managing other financial commitments, setting up recurring transfers can make your life a lot easier. So, let's dive into the process and make your money management as seamless as possible. First things first, you need to open the Wise app or website. Make sure you've logged into your account to access all the features available to you. Once you're logged in, your homepage will display a comprehensive overview of all your accounts and transaction history. This dashboard is your central hub for managing your financial activities on Wise. As you glance over your transaction history, you'll notice each transaction is listed for easy reference. Click on any transaction you're curious about to gain more insight. This feature is especially useful if you're tracking the status of a recent transfer. Once you've clicked on a specific transaction, you'll be able to see if it has been successfully sent or if it's still being processed. It's always a good practice to periodically check on these transactions to ensure everything is proceeding smoothly. And here's a handy tip. If there's any change in the status of your transaction, Wise will proactively send you an email notifying you of the update. This means less worry and more assurance that Wise is keeping an eye on things for you. Back to setting up your recurring transfer. While we're not going through those precise steps at this moment, knowing how to monitor your transactions is an integral part of managing those recurring payments. It's essential to ensure that everything is set up correctly and that funds are moving as intended. These tools and notifications make it simpler to keep track of your money without any extra stress. Setting up a recurring transfer with Wise offers a lot of flexibility and control. Once configured, it allows you to schedule your transfers according to your specific needs and preferences, reducing the need for manual interventions. This automation can save time and help avoid late payments, which is especially beneficial if you're managing multiple transfers across different currencies and countries. So, to recap, start by logging into your Wise account and utilize your homepage's transaction overview to track your payments. Stay informed with email notifications regarding any updates or changes to your transactions. It's this combination of transparency and ease of use that makes Wise a fantastic tool for managing your international financial needs efficiently. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful for setting up recurring transfers with Wise.